Hey guys, Amelia here with Mama Bear Reviews, and today we're doing a fun review, unboxing tutorial on a product that you all need if you spend time outside. So let's get into it. So today we are doing an unboxing of Naturetek, which is a pest control application kit. I'm super excited. They sent this to me to do a review. So thank you, Naturetek, for sponsoring today's video. This is a recyclable, family-safe, pet-friendly, and botanically driven company. It is all about pest control. So let's unbox it and see what comes in the kit. So if you're anything like us, we like to be outside. My kids love to be outside. We do bonfires in winter. We have the pool in the summer. We're constantly outside. So when you get this kit, it comes, you get this box, 3 simple steps: prepare, apply, and dispose. It tells you to always wear gloves, a long sleeve shirt, long pants, closed-toed shoes when handling this product. So you get a full pamphlet that talks about how to use the product. There's a QR code for a tutorial video, which I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So yeah, so it gives a whole directions on you fill the bag with water, add 1 bottle. So it comes, looks like this. When you unbox it, you have the bag that the water and the product goes into. Super easy nozzle sprayer that just flips up and you can spray it. Super handy. I love the green color. You have this tube that goes into the bag, and then you have this insecticide for your bugs. So you pour this into the bag. They even come with gloves, which is so cool. You don't have to like go out and be like, oh, I need to buy rubber gloves. Comes with gloves. Literally comes with everything you need. Talks about this electric spray one, so you don't have to stand there and like hold it or sit there and pump the bottle, which is super handy. And then it comes with, like I said, the mixing bag, which is a decent size. You can recycle, it's all recyclable, which is pretty cool. This is the half mark, the full mark, family and pet friendly pest solution. So when they reached out, I thought this was the coolest concept. We have ants and spiders and all sorts of bugs in our backyard that I have literally tried everything to get rid of, and I get rid of it for like a day and then they come back. So it's super annoying. So I'm super excited to try out this product. So I'm gonna go test it out and we will come back and see how it goes. So we have the Naturetek bag. You have a halfway point and a full point. So you fill the bag halfway with water, and then you add 1 bottle of the product to the bag, and then you fill it with the remaining amount to the full line with water. Screw the cap on, mix it, and you are ready to go. So super easy. It took maybe like a few seconds. The longest part was just waiting for the water to fill up. Super easy, super handy. And now I have it to the halfway point, so I'm gonna add the bottle and fill the rest up.
Still get older, older. So let us dance this night away.
And now that I got it to the full line, we are just going to put on that nozzle sprayer. So this tube just fits right in. You screw on the top, unpop the nozzle spray, and you are ready to go.
So let us dance this night away. And we'll dance dance this night away. Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter.
All right, so you saw how to mix it, super easy, dump it in, shake it up, super easy to put it together, to prep, to spray. I did find out somewhat through the video, at first it was coming out in kind of a circular thing, so I wasn't able to really get in the crevices, but I figured it out. If you twist the top of that little nozzle spray, if you twist it, it'll shoot out in a stream, which gets perfectly into those small nooks and crannies, and it has some force. Like in some of those clips you could see like it was shooting, so I didn't have to stand super close to it. Like you don't have to stand on top of the nozzle to get it to go where you need it to go. Once I figured out that little nozzle thing. So tip, adjust the nozzle to adjust the stream of the product. Super easy to use. I saw some anthills and some bugs as I was going in. I just kind of sprayed right over in the line and it pretty much got them on contact. I didn't have to go over it multiple times to get them to like, you know, go away. Like I have other products I've had to like go over it multiple times. This one I just hit it once with a stream and it was good to go. They haven't come back, which has been nice. So yeah, if you guys are super interested in this product, they gave me a discount code, which I will put right here, to get you some money off if you want to try the application kit. Like I said, super easy. Will save you a ton of money on pest control. You don't have to hire a company to come out. You can do it yourself. You saw it was super easy. It took like no time at all to spray my entire house, and quick, efficient. Overall, I really like it. My only issue I had, like I said, was the spray nozzle. That was the only issue, but once I figured that out, I have no complaints. It's worked. If you guys want to try it out, I will link it in my bio, and I will put the discount code and you guys can check it out for yourself. Thank you again to Naturetek for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you are super pumped about this kit. I've never seen an application kit like this, so I'm super excited for you guys to try it out. And subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.